Many people think Japan is only for rich travelers, but that's not true. Traveling Japan on a budget is possible. You just need smart choices and local tricks. When I first came back to Japan, I thought it would drain my savings. But after a few weeks, I learned 8 tricks every smart traveler should know. 1. From airport to city, skip the express train. Narita Express is comfy but pricey. Take the Kaisei Access Express or the Keikyu line from Haneda and save around 2,000 yen each way. 2. For internet, get your SIM or eSIM before you land. Airport SIMs are expensive. We personally use the Saili app because we travel to many countries. It's fast and cheap. 3. Skip the full JR pass. It's not worth it for short trips. Use regional passes like Tokyo Wide, Kansai Through, or Hokkaido Rail Pass. 4. Eat like a local. Skip expensive restaurants. Grab meals from 7-Eleven or Lawson, cheap and tasty. Check lunch sets and department store food basements for big discounts. 5. Stay in business hotels or capsule hotels. Look for chains like APA, Toyoko Inn, or Super Hotel. Clean, safe, often under 7,000 yen per night. For solo travelers, capsule hotels or hostel world options can go as low as 3,000 to 4,000 per night. 6. Must-have apps for Japan. Use AVITIME or Google Maps for transport. Gurunavi or Tabelog for cheap local food. Line and Google Translate for easy communication. 7. Tax-free shopping in 100 yen stores. Look for tax-free signs. These are for tourists who spend more than 5,000 yen in a single store. Buy everyday items from Daiso or Syria, which are 100 yen stores. 8. Rent a car and explore. Skip crowded trains and visit hidden villages. Stay in guest houses in the countryside. Enjoy scenic drives and roadside picnics. Share costs with friends and save on fuel and tolls. And that's a wrap. From saving on transport to scoring cheap eats and must-have apps, you can totally explore Japan without blowing your budget. Follow these tips and you'll get the full Japan experience, food, culture, and sights without breaking the bank.